This is just too funny. Right in the middle of the 4th of July parade. Oh man, you can't even see out the windows. People just running. Big thunderstorm rolled in right smack in the middle of their parade. Yeah, there are people running all over the place. So hard to see out there. It's raining so hard. Sirens are going. Can't get a good picture, but large groups of people running from downtown, heading for their cars. All the floats getting soaked. Yeah, it's storming pretty good out there. Yeah, it sure put an end to their parade. Run, run, it's raining. Camera doesn't want to focus too well with all the rain on the windows and then the rain between me and whatever I'm filming. A lot of traffic out there now. It's all the people trying to escape Mother Nature. She's just giving them a 4th of July they won't forget. Well, it's really warm out. It's about 80 degrees, so I can hear kids screaming and laughing. The kids are having a blast in the rain. And I see some folks, there's a couple right there. You might as well just take your time and walk. We're already soaked to the bone. Oh, a few still running. I don't know why you're running, because you're not going to be any drier when you get there. There's a guy that knows how to do it. Might as well have fun in the rain. Well, so much for July 4th of 2018. All the barbecues and picnics, and definitely the parade got rained upon. One for the memories. Beep, beep. see the lights of the fire trucks going down the parade route. That's the parade route right down there. It's only a block and a half from me. But, yep, the only thing going down that parade route are the squad cars and the fire trucks and the ambulances. All the big floats and everything, they had to pull them out. Everybody getting just soaked to the bone. They don't care. They're gonna do it anyway. I'm sure a bunch of diehards are out there just saying, well, we're soaked anyway, so let's finish our parade. So yeah, well, good for them. Hope they're all having a good time.